Hey guys, back again. We're doing a Bentley Bentayga, and it's going from a black here into a metallic nacre from ORACAL. And it's a really cool car because it's going to a complete makeover. So some of the trims are actually staying gloss black, like such as this, the door trims, the emblems, door trim right here. And we're not touching the carbon fiber because the carbon fiber looks sick. And we also had to send out the wheels too. He's getting refinished and redone. And that's gonna be a completely different wheel. As I'm wrapping this hood, this metallic nacre from ORACAL is just amazing. It lays so nicely. The finish is amazing. And the glue is a little bit tacky, but you can get the air pretty easily. And as I said, the finish is amazing, like, as you can see. And then if I have a light here, I can show you guys the finish on it, or the metallic part. It looks so good. You can see it better in the sun, but you can see a little bit. But yeah, this is so this Bentayga is actually the speed trim. So it has a bunch of carbon fiber. You can see the side skirt here has a carbon fiber. There's an extra wing on there. And then the customer is actually requesting that we do this diffuser here. Carbon fiber. So we're gonna wrap that. And also the brake calipers here, we're still up in the air. He's wondering if he should paint it or we could wrap it. So we'll see once he sees the whole car done. Oh,
get it.
Oh God.
Get it, Earl. Come on, dude. Get on the. I'm over here. Alright, whatever. Man. Yeah.
Hey guys, it's been a couple days, so we are almost on the last legs of this wrap. We actually pretty much have just the roof over there left, and then the wing, and then Joe himself, Mr. Wrap God himself, is going to be doing the diffuser in STEK carbon fiber. So the diffuser is pretty complicated, so and then he's going to be doing the in the PPF, so it's all going to be wet install. So this is all going to be carbon fiber here. And just as an update, the customer actually picked the color for the calipers, and it's going to be going white, like the color of the wrap.
I think this is super neat. We're very blessed to have such a cool car and such a talented installer on this project. He's really knocking it out of the park. It looks really, really great.
The customer wants to wrap the wing here. However, we suggested that we didn't wrap it at all because it is carbon fiber. So we did a little 50-50. So he wants to wrap just to this body line right here in the white. And then he's gonna leave this carbon fiber and the underside carbon fiber so that he still has that carbon fiber accent to it. So it's gonna look really sick.
What's going on, guys? We're back again. I got me and the big guy from down under killing this project. We've got the Bentley Bentayga. If you guys haven't seen this color or the sexy man laying on the floor right here, get your eyes filled. First up on him and then on the car. You tell me that's not an intro right there. That's money.
So what I'm working with here is this is STEK's or STEK carbon fiber. What makes this part really difficult is this is the most difficult part on the whole car. It's got these big fins that you have to deal with. But also, this is a wet apply material. There's no air egress here. And I'm having to do a mix between a dry install and a wet install to install this. So it's quite difficult, but I've done stuff like this before, so it's going pretty smooth. There's a couple different brands that have this type of carbon fiber look. It's very convincing. Let's see if you can see with the light here. It's very realistic looking. So far for me has been the most reliable, especially putting it through the ringer like I'm going to be doing on this part. When I'm going to be finished, this is going to be entirely one piece of carbon. I'm not doing inlays. I'm not going to be doing patches. I'll be able to complete this whole thing all the way underneath in one piece.
You guys, we are right back at it again with this finished project. We had a bunch of fun doing it. It is on this Knacker metallic ORACAL. Project came out amazing. So this whole vehicle started out with being black the whole way through, blacked out tin, black everything. And they wanted to dull it down a little bit and make it a bit more elegant. So what we did, we chose a bunch of different colors, going over everything, and just through the whole process, the customer has been involved, checking it out, coming down every day, seeing what he thinks and what our thoughts are on it. And frankly, we couldn't be more happy with it. You know, everything from the wrap to doing the calipers as well too, to the custom emblems and to the ceramic coating all the way through. This thing got the works on it and couldn't be more proud of how it came out. Tell us what you guys think in the comments. We always love to hear what you guys think or what your opinions are, or if you guys have any questions. But stay tuned for the next video, because one thing we're gonna be doing is pushing these videos out, so stay tuned. All right, talk soon.